Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to play hand bass on keyboard for praise with the 1-4-1-5 progression. I'm going to play it now and then I'll break it down further. Let's get started. So what I just played here is your 1, your 4, your 1, your 5. That is your do, your fa, your do, your sol. By the way, I'm doing this way to run the key of F for general understanding. The key of So what I was playing on my left, because this tutorial is how to play your bass on keyboard for praise. See the movement. That is your do sol do, do sol do, do sol do, fa la do do sol do, so do. Let me take it one step at a time. I'll break it down. Do sol do do la do do sol do fa la do do sol do re do sol do sol do fa la do. Get it? Do sol do fa la do sol do sol do. I'm trying to call out the soft notation. Do sol do fa la do sol do fa la do. Then you come back to do sol re sol do. So that's just it. This is the basics. In my next tutorial, I'm going to do something a little bit intermediate to advanced. You understand? So with the beats, you get something like this. It's very easy. Do sol do. You start it. Once you want to start it, your lower octave of your do, then you do sol do. It's like I'm a bit fast. Let me do it slow. Hope you're seeing it. Yeah, it's clear. So re so do. So re so do. Do so do fa la do do. Get it? So, do, so, re, so, do. So that's just it. If you notice, I did something here. I just added this to spice it up a bit. See, just watch. You see, I just instead of doing that, those are I just added your do re re. You see. Do re re. You see, do re re, fa la do do. You come back to your do so do. So it's very, very easy. If you want to master it, you have to replay this tutorial over and over again so that you get it. So again, let me play with the beat. So again, I did something like this. Just a passing chord to your do. So again. You see? Yeah, so la la do. So la la do. So it's very, very easy. If you want to master it, you have to replay this video tutorial over. As you play it, you practice that, then you get it. Let me play with both hands now, then we'll call it a tutorial. That's this how to play handbass on keyboard for your praise. Please guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment. God bless.